So here is how you guys can see backed up photo on your Google Photos. So you can go to Photos and scroll down, and you can see right now this photo has been not backed up yet, because we can say that by looking on this small cloud like icon. So it indicates that it's been backed up. All right, so and this photo here, it's still not backed up and need to be synced to the cloud to be able to be backed up. So this is how you should the backed up photo on Google Photos. But if you just wanted to see only the backed up photos, not your gallery photos, then you need to hop on to the Google Chrome and go to Photos, just search Photos, and you need to sign in to your Google Photos. Make sure that you guys are logging with the same account, and you can see these are the backed up photos, and it only shows you backed up photos. And now you can see how many photos has been backed up from your phone, and you can also download your photos from here. But the good thing about this web version of Google Photos is that you guys can download multiple photos at once. So if you guys wanted to download multiple photos, tap on this three dot icon and simply select photos, and you can select multiple photos like this and like that. You can also tap on this date, let's select that, and you can select this very frequently and quickly. And to download is simple, so tap on the three dot icon and simply download. And well, that's it guys. So this is how you should see photos, and if you want to download, I would recommend you guys to use the web version instead of Photos app itself, because Photo app limit you to download only one photo at one time. So yeah guys, I hope this video helps you out. Drop a like, and if you guys are new to my channel, then subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon. Thank you so much for watching.